In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Microsoft Word in just about 5 minutes. QR codes are versatile tools for sharing information quickly and efficiently, whether it's for business cards, brochures, or even classroom materials. And the best part is you don't need any sophisticated graphic design skills to create one, especially if you're already familiar with Microsoft Word. Let's dive right in. Our journey begins at the very heart of your computer's ecosystem, the Windows Start menu. This is your gateway to all applications and settings on your computer. So, give that Start button a gentle click to open up a world of possibilities. As the menu graciously unfolds, you'll find a search bar waiting at your beck and call. It's here that you'll type the magic word, quite literally, Word. This command is your summoning spell for Microsoft Word, the trusted sidekick for all your document creation needs. Once you've typed Word, the search results will come alive with various options. Look for Microsoft Word in these results. It's usually represented by that familiar blue W icon. When you find it, click on it to open Microsoft Word. If this is your first time, worry not, as the interface is user-friendly and navigable. With Microsoft Word now open, you're greeted with the Word home screen. It's from here that your creative journey truly begins. You have the option to start with a clean slate by clicking on a blank document. But if you're revisiting a project, feel free to open any of your recent documents listed on the screen. Selecting either option will land you in the editing interface of Word, where all your textual dreams can come true. As you gaze upon the ribbon at the top of your screen, filled with tools and options, there's one particular feature we're hunting for today. Get add-ins. This might be a button or a link, dependent on your version of Word, but its function remains a beacon for extending Word's capabilities. Clicking on Get Add-ins will introduce you to a marketplace of functionalities that can be integrated into Word, elevating it from a mere word processor to a multifunctional powerhouse. Now into the depths of the add-ins marketplace we dive. Here, a treasure trove of tools awaits your exploration, but our quest is specific. We seek the ability to create QR codes. In the search bar within the marketplace, type QR. Like magic, a list of applicable add-ins will appear before your eyes. These are specially designed tools that, once installed, give Word the power to generate QR codes directly. Browse through the offerings and select an add-in that resonates with your requirements. There might be several options, each with its own set of features, so take a moment to read through the descriptions. When you've made your choice, click to install the add-in. This process integrates it into your Word environment, ready for use. With the add-in installed, you're now equipped with the magic wand to conjure QR codes onto your documents. Whether you're embedding a link to your company website, a secret message to your students, or a personal portfolio, the process is now at your fingertips, ready to be explored and tailored to your project's needs. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a QR code in Microsoft Word. This versatile tool can transform how you share information, making it accessible with just a scan from a phone or tablet. Explore the possibilities, and you might find yourself discovering new, innovative ways to use QR codes in your projects or daily life. Remember, the key to mastering any new skill is practice. So don't hesitate to dive in and experiment with different types of content for your QR codes. Whether it's for business, educational, or personal use, the ability to seamlessly integrate digital links into physical documents opens a world of interaction and engagement with your audience. That wraps up our tutorial for today. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires your next project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks that make technology work for you. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and creating.